Best Portable BBQ Grill for Camping. Hello, my YouTube family. Here I am back with another exciting video. So, today I will discuss something related to outing, party, enjoyments, and yes, food. So, if you like adventure and amazing food combinations, then you must have good knowledge about portable BBQ grills for camping. And if you do have not that much knowledge, but want to know more, then this video is for you. So, today I will cover the best portable BBQ grills for camping. So, I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Guide Zoo. Now, without any delay, let's start with the discussion. We've examined these grills at tailgate parties, outside BBQ, picnics, and tenting trips, making lots of ingredients to date. The result? An experience-based, complete overview of the exceptional portable grills on the market. So, let's start with the first option that we have on our list, and look at what we found for you. Number 1. Weber Q1200, considered best portable grill for outdoor. Weber has a recognition for constructing grills that gracefully mixture cooking overall performance and reliability, and that lifestyle is rolled into a portable bundle with the awesome Weber Q1200. Although it is now not the most effective when measured in output strength alone, the layout of this grill approves it to efficaciously and successfully attain perfect searing temperatures inside simply minutes of preheating. The spotlight of this most reliable development is the porcelain enamel cast iron cooking grates, which readily hold the heat evenly allotted through the U-shaped stainless metal burner underneath. Simply put, this model let us grill with extra precision, predictability, and manage than any different designs we sold and tested. Although this transportable powerhouse reaches pinnacle temperatures with ease, it is extra hard to examine how to harness the heat of the grill floor for meals that require extra low and slow cooking. Though this model excels in the tabletop or tailgate setting, its distinctly heavyweight and bulky pack dimension blended with the lack of latching lid make it much less than perfect for cooking some distance away from the vehicle or campsite. But if you hope to frequently grill up superb foods whilst on the road, the Weber Q1200 is an on-hand portable grill that is certain to attraction to each newbie cook and expert cook alike. Now let's talk about the second grill option that we have. I hope you will like all of the lists that I'm going to share today. Number 2. Cuisinart Grillster, considered best portable grill. For the dimension and price, it may additionally be difficult to discover a compact grill extra effective than the Cuisinart Grillster. Not solely is it rather fuel efficient, however, this portable powerhouse reaches top temperature inside a count of minutes after clicking the piezo lighter. A lightweight metal lid and 3 insulating partitions provided the capacity to both block wind and hold heat, permitting you to prepare a meal in less than ideal weather. This device cools down nearly as short as it heats up for a rapid getaway, with a locking lid and sufficient area to save 1-pound fuel canisters. It additionally sports an easy-to-carry handle. The Grillster is exceptional at searing steaks and different high-temperature cooking. However, it is difficult to manage the basic range on this rip-roaring grill. Unless we have been aiming for blackened hen or blistered peppers, we hardly ever discovered ourselves the use of whatever greater than the lowest fuel setting. Although it is compact and portable, there's a trade-off with its smaller grilling space. Petite and sure-footed, the Grillster is the ideal accomplice for a picnic for two, not relying on the location. Number 3. Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal, considered the best overall portable charcoal grill. For the followers of pit cooking out there, we provide up the Weber Go Anywhere. This well-built barbecue is a modern take on the manufacturer's traditional design, incorporating their enameled cast iron development into a convenient, compact package. The rectangular basin can preserve a coal mattress that is each deep and evenly spread. A plated metal top grate settles securely into the area thanks to deep-seated insets solid into the grill frame, so you can effortlessly regulate heat zones besides the concern of shedding your entire meal into the coals. We can warranty that the Go Anywhere will boast the identical heat output as its gas-powered rivals. It is up to you and your coal-stoking abilities. There's actually a studying curve to getting to know exceptional heat zones. However, cooking over charcoal probably gives an accuracy that can't be matched when cooking with gas. The tightly becoming vents are challenging to modify without gloves, and it takes time to skillfully control these changes for ideal airflow. But we can guarantee you that with practice, this portable grill can enable you to grasp the artwork of cooking over an open flame and produce yummy meals in the process even on the go. Now, it's time for the fourth one. So let us check out the option. Number 4. Solaire Everywhere. Considered the best infrared grill option. The Solaire Everywhere infrared grill is the most special product on our roster and performs very properly in a few categories. First, it is very small and compact, and its development is tight and consists of quietly. Most importantly, the high-powered ceramic flameless burner that sits under a cautiously designed grate of V-shaped bars cooks steaks greater than something else in our review. Heat can be very excessive and is delivered rapidly. For these high-quality cuts of red meat that require nothing greater than a contact of flame, this is the satisfactory portable grill on the market. You do not get this uncompromising high-heat cooking overall performance except for some drawbacks. The Solaire Everywhere is pretty specialized. First, the grill top is small, with a house for solely 1 or 2 steaks on it at a time. Next, it is very expensive. Finally, and this is the most extensive problem, the low heat overall performance is certainly non-existent. The heat selections are adjustable, however. They would pleasant be described as high to extremely high. Further, the lid is solely for portability. You can shut it whilst cooking. Steaks are cooked very nicely, however different meals are almost difficult to make well. Now, it's time to get to know about the last, but not the least grill model of today's list. Now, it's time to end this discussion. I hope you like all of the shared portable grill options. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another exciting video. Links of all the shared items are given in the description box, so check them for further details.